Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and we are here to present the line, and I am here to present the line dance for the coup. The song is For the Cool in You, the artist is BAbyFace, and the choreography is Cynthia Stewart Morris. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now and you can book your room right now. Please go over to our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here we go.
This is for the cool.
for the cool. Make sure you check out the instructional. Also check out the NOLA Southern Experience at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.